Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Love bite, sorry. The love read was already posted. This is the weekend love bite. Just a small little message to see what's to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Sagittarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Sagittarius, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Sagittarius, 3 of Swords in reverse, 4 of Swords, Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, 4 of Wands, the Moon, Knight of Wands, 2 of Wands, and the Strength card. Point is, there is lack of equal give and take in this connection. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. So this is, maybe there was some clarity, maybe a message or something. Somebody is trying to heal, take some time out to rest, heal their heart. Maybe there was a message that they were looking forward to, and maybe the clarity that came, something came out in the open about this not working out or their person not stepping up to the plate. There was a decision made here which is leading one person to feel not very happy about the situation, Sagittarius, but still trying to now heal. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Sagittarius. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Sagittarius and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. If they could say something to each other now. One more. All right, thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Sagittarius. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. These came out together. My email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. And we'll take a couple more from here, Sagittarius, and start your reading. Okay, Sagittarius, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before. This card comes out a lot for you, Sagittarius. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. Isn't that just what I said, Sagittarius? Somebody's trying to heal their heart. Take some time out. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me. I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. I didn't have the courage to tell you. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. Alright, Sajis, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message first. Reward. Yes, Sagittarius, it's time to give yourself a little pat on the back. I think you're being very hard on yourself and you do need healing, or maybe this is for your cross watcher, I don't know, but my intention was to take out a blessing for you, Sagittarius. So give yourself a little pat on the back, do something nice for yourself. Don't put the burden of feeling happy totally on another person, right? The onus of being happy lies with you, within you. Heal yourself, take some time out, reward yourself, maybe buy yourself a nice cream or something, or a new outfit. Do something that makes you feel happy today. That's your message. So Spirit, 3 of Swords in reverse. 3 of Swords in reverse. A new beginning was not offered, or it's not coming. Things are very, very stuck. And somebody just wants, well, there is somebody sitting in their power though, even though very, very self-sufficient on their own, thriving, looking good, feeling like an empress, but because that new beginning maybe in their love life was not offered, they feel that was a bit of bad luck for them. They're healing from that, trying to concentrate on the, yes, I mean, even though they feel like an empress, they feel they should be nurtured, this offer of, partnership, I think fell through. So 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords, Spirit. 4 of Swords. Somebody has inner conflict. They don't want to end this connection completely, yet they feel drained out all the time because their partner maybe is not fighting for this connection. They are more somebody really wishes for this brand new passionate beginning, but feeling very drained out as things are not moving. Page of Wands, somebody is hoping and wishing for some communication, some clarity, which is not coming. Maybe that person is not putting in enough work to maybe communicate with them or give them that clarity. The same cards I have here, somebody waiting for a message for clarity. So that's been an issue, and somebody is kind of losing hope in this soulmate connection. 4 of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody feels there's some bad memories now created, things are not going very good, there's a little bit of feeling of depression and sadness as well, just wanting somebody to open up and tell them the truth, feeling they're not feeling victorious because things are totally blocked. There is lack of communication or lack of being able to come together, there's distance. Moon card in reverse, Spirit. What's this Moon card in reverse? Waiting for somebody else to make a choice or a decision, but that offer hasn't come yet. So Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. It's almost come to a point where one person is feeling that the only way to maybe heal themselves is to let go of that burden of a partner who's always very in and out, very rash, creates conflict, creates drama. All they wanted was them to make a choice or a decision, but things have always stayed troubled. And I think one person has had no choice but to kind of just go within and retreat and kind of heal themselves. But I don't know, feeling very broken-hearted because things are not working out. I mean, how many times will I get this card, Spirit? Two of Wands in reverse, Two of Wands. It's almost like one person is wishing that the other person would just show them the direction, make a decision, make a choice. Do not keep them in limbo and hanging forever. But feeling broken-hearted. Strength card in reverse, Spirit. As much as they want this person to come and clarify, they feel my person is very cold, very detached. I don't know. This is Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Why is that overall energy of our reading? Yes, there's a lot of stuckness. Hanged Man, wanting desperately to come out of this overthinking, stressing out, feeling I'm all alone in this connection. I just want to know the truth. I don't want to have any more sleepless nights. Just waiting for somebody to be honest with them or reveal all. But so Spirit, what kind of message is this? Then what Spirit says, the problem here, Sagittarius, is that as much as one person is really willing the other person to be at par with them or do the right thing, Spirit says they are still a Knight of Wands. This person is in it only for the passion or the good times. Where commitment is concerned or anything long-term is concerned, they are not ready. They are not in that place and may never be. Right? So, as much as the other person wants to be their Empress, but it's not a perfect match at the moment. I mean, an Empress with a Knight of Wands is like chalk and cheese. This is an imbalanced connection, Sagittarius. But somebody is looking for their wish fulfillment in this. And that is why there's heartbreak, and that's why there's this need to retreat and take a step back and heal yourself. I don't know. Not the best of messages, but reward yourself. You are worth much more. You're an Empress, remember that. Okay? Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Sagittarius.